Man, too dark. And I'm back. I've never done that before. So I actually wanted to try it and see how it turned out. Probably a complete and utter disaster, and even if it is, I'll still leave it in for you to see whether it was a disaster or not anyway. Where's your head gone? Where did that head go? There it is. Well, it's really got me all wrangled, well, my glasses anyway, all wrangled up there. So why have I got a Apani specifically? Well, I guess I have a Apani because Apani is the one that really wanted to come out. Didn't you? Did you want to come out? Well, he certainly didn't disagree with coming out today. Where are you going? Around me. That's very good. Apani. Not good for the video, but I guess it's pretty good for him. Oh, wow. Now I can see what you're actually possibly seeing, which is nothing new when it comes to Apani, because this is where he ultimately always ends up with me anyway. But today I'm having a reasonably good day, so I thought, wow, I think I will pick up the camera. Everything seems to be moving and working not too bad, so I make the most of it. That's how it's going to be. Make the most of it when my body's working. So I wanted to bring up a subject because, you know, there's been a few videos of late, and one specifically today I watched which was, you know, all you bad big breeders out there. And I kind of went, you know, I kind of did a video and sort of made a little bit of a comment about that sort of thing. And I've done a video with Amaya explaining that because, you know, it is about me wanting to say, oh my goodness, that's not how I feel about all big breeders, smaller breeders. It isn't how I feel about all of them, and you know, I'm not going to put every breeder into one box. You know, I want to explain, you know, where I said, or I spoke about in the video about people, you know, a lot of them having snakes as per se business, and you know, telling you that their snakes are a money value to them, and you know, that is certainly how it is with some people. You know, I do wish to clarify that is certainly not for everybody, even though, you know, there are people out there that have snakes and breed them and do make some money, and a lot, of course, naturally do, because, you know, it is hard work and it does cost money to have those snakes and to care for them and all the rest of it, and naturally, you know, they need to recoup some money for their time, the cost and so forth, and I completely and utterly understand that. And I am in kind of that mind think of, you know, we also want to know, you know, our snakes are going somewhere where people are going to be able to afford to take care of them. We want to know that they've got, if they're willing to spend some money on a snake, that they're going to no doubt take really good care of them. And I'm not saying those that don't pay for a snake won't do it either. So, you know, I'm trying to cover all bases here and be fair, because, you know, I can't lump everybody in the same category. I'm just trying to keep her here. And I don't think I will. I've kind of got a clamp there, but she'll be nice and warm. I mean, I'm not squeezing to keep her here, but, you know, she knows that I've got my leg on top of her at the moment. So, wow. Yeah, won't keep her still for very long at all. But yeah, I really wanted to clarify, you know, I've got nothing against anybody, you know, having them. It just concerns me, I guess, to a little degree, that it can be to a point where losing sight of the love of the fact that they are a snake and what they are, and meaning a little bit more than the money value associated. I'm doing really well with my words today, guys. Associated to that particular snake, because they are way more, you know, than the money value.
Thousands and thousands of ball pythons out there, and ball python morphs, and do we really need any more ball pythons? Do we really need any more? They're not on the endangered list. They're, yeah, and they're not. And is it about good look? A really good look. Don't have hair in snakes and expect to comb your hair and it stays looking good, because it doesn't at all. But you know, are all big breeders bad? You know, and are they just breeding to get the most amazing paint jobs or new morphs, and to gloat that that's what they've done, and this is the world's first, and the money that goes with all of that? With some, yep, I agree that that is probably the case. Can I say that's for every one of the breeders out there? No. And I do know that some breeders very much do love having snakes in their life. But I'm wondering when, because I do know and do believe that yes, the initial was certainly, you're not going to have them in your life if you don't have some passion for them, or like them as such. But when I sometimes see where it is no longer really about the snake, but it is more about what they can create, you know, more than what these little boogers are. Hey, Apani, when has somebody moved from that really actual passionate about the snake or snakes themselves, and have moved to being more passionate about what they're going to create with what they have in their life?
There you go. That's all I really wanted to say. And, you know, I'll be doing a lot more videos about different things that I see out there that could change. I'll also be talking about things that are incredible out there that I see, not just, you know, the not so good things. So bear with me. And from me and Apani, You know, you take care of yourself and your family and your friends. What about you, little boogers that you are? Hey, take care of all your animals. Ciao.